I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Gather the handheld machine, a spool of thread, a bobbin, and a small screwdriver. Inspect the machine for lint and loose parts before you begin. Turn off power and remove any fabric from the presser foot before threading. Open the top cover and remove the bobbin case carefully. Place the spool on the spool pin and secure it with the spool cap. Cut a 24-inch tail and straighten the thread to avoid tangles. Hold the thread tail and pass it under the small guide at the top. Pull the thread through the tension discs following the numbered guides. Lead the thread up and through the take-up lever slot carefully with steady motion. Pass the thread down following the arrowed channel toward the needle area. Pass the thread through the needle bar thread guide and then through the needle eye from front to back. Leave a 3-inch tail below the needle to start the first stitch. Wind and insert a bobbin so it spins counterclockwise in the case and feeds smoothly. Close the bobbin cover and pull both threads toward the back of the machine. Hold the needle thread and turn the handwheel toward you slowly to catch the bobbin thread. Gently pull both threads until a 1-inch tail of bobbin thread appears above the needle plate. Sew a 1-inch test line on scrap fabric and adjust tension as needed for balanced stitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.